My husband lives at the facility. He had a fall in 2005. The doctors told me that Joe had a severe brain trauma, broken back, and a severe spinal cord injury. The doctors told me that Joe was not going to probably never wake up, but if he did wake up, he would be in a vegetation state. When we had to start looking for a facility to put him, we looked at about 6 or 7 before we actually found CareMeridian. They offered the kind of treatment that Joe needed. They offered the physical therapy and getting bathed and getting up every day, putting in a wheelchair on a normal basis. So that is what the doctors did tell us. If Joe was going to wake up, he needed to have some kind of normalcy in his life, and CareMeridian offered that. What we liked about it, that it was small and more personal, and we just liked the layout, basically, and we liked that it was in a house, that it was not a hospital situation. What I've noticed, even in the beginning, they worked with Joe. They never got frustrated or they never backed down. They just kept doing the same thing every single day, and slowly but surely Joe started doing a few things. So that gave us all a lot of hope and encouragement. And in the last, I want to say the last year, he's done some wonderful things. He's talking a little bit and he's eating a little bit. They're wonderful with Joe and with me. They've always given me hope and encouragement, and even when I've been a little depressed and down and frustrated, they're always there to give me that support that, you know, he's getting better. They don't let me forget the things that he's accomplished. I know that Joe's never going to be the Joe that I used to have, but I know that I'm going to have a Joe that I'm going to be able to have some kind of a relationship with, and I know I'm going to be bringing him home. Someday. I'm not sure when, but someday. And they're the ones that gives me that hope. And from the way I was feeling in the beginning, lost and scared, like my life was over with, I feel like today that I have a life because Joe has a life. So I don't feel scared anymore.